The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Negasngi ki wachong chnong ka Lapangap dapten gi wa ayok ba hapentor Lapangap wa Nongjrong hai sanran gi pelit ka asam Meghalaya haki hali Nongjrong dapan dep o ayok ba waro debakit ikari pick up kawasan Rutali hai sanran gi pelit ka asam ka hali Nongjrong jengai ka kawasan kilometer na Lapangap WM go pelat ka chnong Tahpat udai man mileng do woman wa chnong ka Lapangap doong wa ki hali wadang sa wa ka ba to ka pentor Lapangap wa ki ni gi hali em ki hapadi ka pentor Negas ngi riu ay o kuba nang hali wa hek kama sosan hektar ki bukan tubik bentor Lapangap wa Nongjrong.
Sampai tak?